Look at this. It is the pot toppled upside down since about 20 days or more than that. It has been like this in the toppled position, and the pot is here emptied with ease because it has been toppled upside down. And look what is happening here. This shoot was supposed to come from the top, from the top. In fact, if you keep the pot upside, it's been upside down now. If you place it in the position that it was in, this shoot was supposed to go upside, and regular upside. Now it is coming from the bottom. One more is here, I guess. No. That is the bulb. What do you call this? The medicinal thing. Now I can do that. Repotting. Harvest everything. All the root part. What is not required. The overgrowth that it has happened since about 2 to 3 years maybe. Because it was a heavy pot and not possible easily coming out of the pot. Pulling it out was a hefty task, and it has fallen all the way from about this distance from the top, almost kind of rooftop. That's about 10 to 12 feet, and I am so glad that my pot is intact. It is not broken down. One of them has broken down. I have to harvest this everything and keep only needed part of the roots of this what do you call this, fibrous roots. We can harvest lots of this tubers of the asparagus, the one that is having the medicinal use. Lots of values there here in this part of the country. People who practice Ayurveda, they will come for these tubers especially grown in organic way. That means no harmful chemical should be there in this. Only then it will be having the value. Let us see which part of the society can I get it disposed to, or else if any processing can be done, I will use it myself, because it's having very good, very good Ayurvedic value. So this is what I was supposed to show you people. Life is amazing, isn't it? Look at this. In Kannada, this plant, asparagus, is called Savira Makkala Tayi. That means mother of thousands kids. That's what they call it. See, it's visible here. It's visible. See, it's produced this many. In about 4 to 5 years, it was very hard to repot it. So I left it like that only. It has developed unbelievable number of roots. It is very hard to pluck them even now after toppling the pot out. This is it. Grow it. It's having high medicinal values. Look at this. Finally, it took about an hour or so, more than that, to that's a 20-liter bucket. I thought that will be enough to store it, but it took much more than that. It is, if I fill this bottle, the pot from which this has been uprooted, it will completely fill this. And a little bit of mud that is there left. It has taken away everything. That's the only thing that is left, a little bit of here and there. That's it. The harvest. This fellow got cut off. I know if I can eat this or not. The plant name is Shatavari in Kannada. And yet it has got yet another name, Savira Makkala Tayi. That means mother of 1,000 kids. At a time, I'm going to repot it into the same this thing. And this time we will arrange this canopy. It is sprouting there. Can you see that? Okay, let us see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 major shoots were there. I had separated them and I had got them spread into on my canopy. I am not having any place to go there. Attend my cattle now. This is it. See, anybody who is interested in growing Ayurvedic medicine on yourself, you can choose this way. If you are going to plant it on beds, raised beds, I don't know if it will be this easy as in harvesting the seed. You need not have to repot it. It will be there. The only thing is you have to dug the mud and pull these tubers off from the main plant like that. So this is a very easy method to grow this. Easy, and it will be constrained to a particular area. Not go and spread it in all your farm and cover up the whole area, maybe a hell lot of area. The vine is having thorns as well. So controlling this is not that easy. Yeah. Both on the shoot side and on the root side. Root side is having high value of medicine, so you can consider growing it.